Hello, my name's Steve Livingston, Chartered Accountant and blogger at Business N2K. Just a quick overview of how you can apply for Advanced Assurance from HMRC in relation to the Seed Enterprise Investment Scheme or the Enterprise Investment Scheme, SEIS or EIS. Now, just a quick overview. In terms of Advanced Assurance, you don't have to go for this. It's not mandatory, but it's often recommended. And what it will do, an opportunity for HMRC to have a look at your company in terms of what it does, the composition of the share capital, etc., to determine whether the company is a qualifying company for the purposes of raising money under SEIS or EIS. So pretty valuable. Most sophisticated investors will insist upon you having this document, this quite valuable letter from HMRC before they will part company with their cash and invest in your company. So it's 9 times out of 10, I think it's worth going for. The process isn't overly complicated. There is a form you can use, and I'll show you where that form is right now. And so you can use the form. I quite often, if it's more complicated, I will also send a letter, because it gives you an opportunity to add a little bit more detail, a little bit more information than might otherwise be requested in the form itself. And the other thing just to bear in mind is, this is a clearance document, so you want to make sure you make full disclosure of any factors you're unsure about, because if you don't disclose them at the time of the clearance application and you do get a positive response, if you haven't disclosed it, then really is the paper that the clearance is on really worth the paper it's written on? There's always that question mark. So you want to give as much information as you possibly can. So how do you find the form? Well, you're just going to go in the search engine. The easy thing to do is just type in EIS AA for Advanced Assurance, click there, and there it is. Click on the link, and you can see it here. It's a joint form, EIS and the CDIS. And if you click on there you go, you can sort of fill in the boxes as such. You'll need the company registration number, the tax reference number if you have it. If a newly incorporated company, you may not have that information just yet. Name and address, the amount you intend to raise, what the money will be used for, again looking about the purposes of the trade or the preparation to carry on the trade, and then tick box the information that you should be able to supply. It can be good practice to apply for CDIS if that's what you're going for first. There are obviously certain limitations and restrictions in terms of size and the amount of money you can raise, but you can look to get advanced assurance for SEIS and also EIS at the same time. Then it saves you having to sort of fill out two forms and go back and forth with HMRC. So that's where you can find the form. That's how you apply for advanced assurance from for EIS or CDIS. If you've got any questions, please drop me a line. Hope you found that useful. My name's Steve Livingston. Thanks for watching.